All right, guys, major channel announcement and course announcement, okay? It is time to stop messing around, and that includes me messing around with these old school ways of learning web development, with these old school, completely from scratch tutorials. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It's 2026. We're more than halfway through the year. The old way of learning things, the old way of doing things and becoming a developer it's done, okay? It's bullshit. Everybody that has you learning how to do all these things from scratch and try to memorize syntax and learn this framework and learn React, learn Node, learn TypeScript, learn 30 other things, try to apply for a job as a guy with, just self-taught and you didn't go to college, maybe you work at Jersey Mike's or you work in a warehouse and you want to be a developer. It sounds great. You're going to earn all this money, but I've got news for you. Like the golden age where you can become a employable developer doing course projects and little bullshit coding things at home and then slapping together a portfolio, applying for a job and getting hired for like a junior position that's going to pay you like $70,000 a year with good benefits and let you learn with the company. Like, guys, that's done. Like it's pretty much over. The golden age for that is over. We are in the AI age now, okay? It's time. We got to put our big boy pants on. That's not going to cut it. Look at me. That's not going to cut it. But the good news is with AI, you are now able to learn much faster, build things much easier, and actually build products, build a brand, build a business, service freelance clients, do everything 10 times faster than when I learned this stuff almost 10 years ago than we used to be, okay? That's where we come in with prompt, build, ship. This is it. This is the new main offering from Practical Web Dev. This is the direction this whole channel is going to go in. You guys taught me. The last video I uploaded is the biggest, most successful, most impactful video this channel has ever seen within its first week. And that showed me something. You guys don't want the bullshit. You want that real, raw, this is really how we build stuff. This is really how we make profitable stuff. This is how we make money. This is how we get clients. This is how we can get a job, okay? If you're going to get a job, you need to show real work. And now that AI is here, there's no excuse to not be building real things quickly. There's no excuse to not be doing real website builds for clients quickly. There's no excuse to not get real world experience fast, okay? We can't hide behind things anymore. AI is here. This is the new workflow. Okay, the new workflow is what I showed you in the last video. Learn your foundations. You have to know some code. You can't just fly blind. You still have to learn your foundations. Use AI. Use your prompts. Build out the prototype. Refine it. Launch it. Okay? No more spending 3 days custom coding landing pages to make them look just perfect. Those days are done. You don't have time for that. Okay? Prompt, build, ship. So this is it, guys. You get 4 products in one, or you can buy any one thing that you want if you just want an individual thing, okay? This is them. We have Build Your Developer Brand. This is going to be the newest course. I'm going to add probably a good 10 to 20 videos to this course this month alone to show you guys how to build your brand, how to actually show your work, how to make a name for yourself online, how to get clients that actually come to you, how to make money online as a developer like I do. There's many ways to do it. I do it with education stuff. There's other ways to do it. You can build microservices, software as a service, websites that solve one problem that charge $1 or $2 a month subscriptions. You get 3,000 people signed up for a website that solves a simple problem, and you charge $3 a month. Do the math, okay? That's how you make real money. But you have to building your brand, especially if you want to get a job. If you want to get a 9 to 5, that's still what you want to do. Even though, like I said, that golden age is done, guys. You you've got to show something. You better have a YouTube channel. You better show real client work that you've done that's actually helped a business that's paid you. The stakes are much higher. They just are. Like, I'm not going to lie to you. This isn't little, you can't do little cutesy stuff anymore. You're not going to do a Udemy course or just copy paste a project that I showed you and get a job. You're not. Sorry. Okay? Build your developer brand. Coding Foundations. This is the original curriculum from what was the Complete Web Developer course. This is all of the coding stuff from scratch, but it's still the project-based learning, okay? We build 20 plus projects to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP foundations. You build projects the whole time, no fluff, no theory. This isn't about memorizing the syntax. This is about building enough little projects so that you understand the concept of how everything works. By the time you're done with this course, you know more than enough code to get started implementing the real AI workflows, understand what you're doing, build really, really fast, and the sky is the limit. But these coding foundations set you up for success. You still learning how to code, learning the foundations is still super important. It's all the other bullshit of learning React and this framework and TypeScript. No, don't touch it. Just get your foundations first. Nobody is hiring you with no experience, no matter how much TypeScript and React and whatever the new fad thing is. Nobody gives a shit, okay? And it's not going to help you get freelance clients. It's not going to help you make a name for yourself. Trust me. Next, we have build and ship with AI. I spent the last week recording 60 plus new videos for this course alone, okay? I teach you how to build a professional website quickly with AI, how to deploy it on free hosting and also on premium hosting, how to purchase a domain name, how to deploy these online, how to actually get it live, okay? This is also a great course if you're a small business owner and you want to get started, you want to make your own business as like a DIY guy. You can purchase this course if you're Mr. Small Business Owner, and even if you have pretty much zero coding knowledge, you can get through it if you just follow what I tell you, and you can build your own business website all by yourself that looks really good and really professional. You're going to get source code with it. You're going to get everything you need with it. This is like a great standalone course. Okay, so I teach you how to build basically static websites that can also get lead generation, collect emails, which is very important for all businesses. I teach you how to build a WordPress website and deploy it, even with custom coded pages if you want. Again, using an AI workflow to make your website customized. But if you want to have that WordPress site where you have content and you want to make it organic, get organic traffic, I show you how to do that. I show you how to hook up a professional .com domain for lead generation. So you or info@yourwebsite.com. How do you set all that up? I teach you how to do that. And this course is also good for anybody who wants to be a freelancer. These are all the core freelance skills that all of your clients are going to ask you to do. Set up my website, make it look good, get me some email capture, help me build landing pages, help me build lead magnets. It's all in here, guys. Last but not least, we create and deploy a real-world working full-stack application using our AI build workflow. We take all the knowledge that we have and we build out a full-stack app. We don't just throw it together with garbage. We build one feature at a time with AI. We review the code, we test the features, and then we move on until we have the whole application. This is a real website now, and I'll release a separate video on it. But if you want to get a look at what we build, clientqueued.com. This is a lead generation tracker. Yes, you can actually log in. Yes, you can actually create an account. You can go to clientqueued.com. I'll put the link in the description. You can start using this. I built it myself. It's secure. It's got the latest PHP security on there. Very secure site. A couple of you dickheads that watch this might go on there and try to create a bunch of garbage accounts and fuck up the website. Have at it. I'll just erase them all. But this is a lead tracker. This is a real project we make. I'm going to make a whole video dedicated to this later on in the week so that you can see it as a case study, see how the real workflow works. But I show you how to deploy a real microservice app. You can take my same workflow and build any kind of app you want. Again, it helps if you have the coding foundations knowledge, even if you're the small business owner that's getting into this stuff. If you just take, all my lessons, most of them are 5 minutes or less in this course. If you just do 15, 20, 30 minutes a day of the coding lessons, just slowly go through them, get that base knowledge, you'll be golden. If you're trying to be a web developer, make your own microservices freelance, same thing. You don't have to take all 50 hours of coding foundations. Do a couple lessons a day, 3, 4, 5 lessons a day. My little 5-minute micro lessons, learn something as you go. A little bit of learning each day. You'll get better and better as time goes on. And it's going to help you with the workflow. Next, an ebook, the AI website prompt library. Okay, so I'll show you a preview of it. Let me open it up here. All right, guys, so here it is. This is an ebook, and what this does is it gives you copy-paste code example. It gives you a really good copy-paste code example to build a really nice-looking front end and to give AI basically like a starting point and a way to organize the code so you're not just flying blind. And I include the source code in here. And then, so it's got HTML, CSS, JavaScript file that you can copy paste right into AI. I give you prompts to build any type of website or simple web app you want. If you want to build a restaurant website, if you're a small business owner and you want to build that restaurant website, here's the prompt, copy paste all this in, fill in all the information. It'll start spinning you up a really nice looking website when you combine my source code and you fill out the prompt and give it all the information it needs. And I demonstrate this very book in the course, in the Build with AI course. So you can even see the workflow there. This book is going to be included with the Build with AI course as part of the, if you purchase it by itself, or of course, if you purchase the whole bundle with all 4 premium offerings, you'll get it for free. Or you can just buy it. If you just want this alone, you say, I know how to code, Nick. Just give me an idea of your workflow. I want it in an ebook. Buy it separately, whatever. All the links are going to be in the description, whatever you want to do. You want to build a contractor website, agency website, personal trainer website, consultant website. These are all websites and businesses that are very real that people will want you to buy a product or build for them if you want to freelance or build them for yourself. A local service website, SaaS landing page. I even have code prompt for a full stack application like I just showed you to really help you out if you want to build a full stack application, okay? I even show you how to build a lead magnet or ebook using the prompts that I use to build this very ebook with my knowledge, my dictation, AI knowing my business, and me saying, okay, here's the styling that I want, go build it. This ebook took me 10 minutes, guys. All my knowledge. Again, I had to tell it what to put in and everything like that, but AI put it together for me. It made my book cover. You want to know how to do cool shit like that? This is the book for you, or you can just purchase the course. Whatever you want. One more announcement. The free practical web dev roadmap, and there'll be a link in the description, has gone through a major revamp. Complete revamp. It's 10 times better. It's a proper ebook now, and it's still for free. Let me show you. Okay. Looks a lot different than the old version. What is this? 21 pages, so it's a little ebook. Here's the chapters. Again, I take you through exactly what you need to learn, but I've updated it with more in-depth AI workflow knowledge. I have the 90-day no BS roadmap checklist at the back of the book that basically says, hey, after you read everything and I teach you exactly what to learn and what to skip, here's your checklist. Can you do XYZ things? And I even give you different, up to a 12-week plan here. Once you can, this is basically what you should be able to do by these weeks. Once you can do all this stuff, and it doesn't even have to take you 12 weeks, this is just if you're doing it part-time and slowly, you're ready to start making money, getting clients, okay? Actually becoming a developer. Once you can make some money, develop your brand, get a YouTube channel, maybe do educational stuff, make real websites that solve problems, work on a couple freelance projects. Now we can talk about applying for a 9-to-5 job because now you have stuff behind you. But until then, you're not, like I said, like you're not getting a job, guys. Like you're not just going to get a job Jimmy learning stuff in his bedroom. You need to learn this, learn the foundations, learn the AI workflow, do something real, and build a YouTube channel, document, put yourself out there, do some client work, make some real money, have something real to show in your portfolio that you actually did, and then you can apply to jobs and maybe have some success. But the days are done again. And this is cute. And people are coming out with new courses now. The new thing is interactive IDEs. So Scrimba did this like way back in 2018, 2017. And I like Scrimba, dude. I learned a lot from Scrimba. When it first came out, Scrimba, the guy who made this, Per Borgen, is a kick-ass teacher. His platform is cool. But using these, let's see if we can just get a thing here. Using these like built-in IDEs here, where you code within the web browser and you're not in your real local environment. It's cute, but it's a gimmick. You need to be in your local environment right away. You need to be in your own text editor. You can take these courses. Don't use their stupid IDE. Just learn the content, run it locally. That's how you learn. You're not going to, this is memorizing syntax. This is the 10-year-old way of learning code. This shit is done, guys. Again, the era where you're going to learn like this, and then slap a portfolio together and get a job is done. These guys don't want me to tell you that. All these code businesses are hurting really bad. I keep getting emails from Codecademy, from Scrimba, from all these other companies that I used to sign up for, from Udemy. 50% off our courses, 40% off today, 60% off. Please sign. They're just begging people to sign up because nobody's using them anymore because AI is here. And nobody's really teaching the real AI workflows like I'm going to. And the rest of my content on this channel is going to be a lot of just building stuff, using the AI workflow. Again, you still want to learn your foundations. That's why I still have the Coding Foundations curriculum. Once you actually know foundations and you're not flying blind, you'll be 10 times more effective and productive using AI workflows than not knowing anything, okay? But the future is now, guys. AI workflows. Check out Prompt Build Ship, or check out anything that you want separately. If you just want to buy one of the courses separate, whatever the hell you want to do, it's all here. This channel is going to start taking off. We're going to start building a lot of real things. It's going to be really, really fun. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.